Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to tag and categorize your transactions in the Emma app so you can budget accurately and know exactly where your money goes. So first, open the Emma app and log in. From the home screen, tap transactions to see your recent spending. Scroll through your list and find the transaction you want to categorize. Now tap the transaction, you'll see details like amount, date, and merchant. Below the tab category, you'll get a list of categories like groceries, transport, entertainment, and more. Choose a category that fits best, or tap custom category to create one that matches your budget style. If you would like to add more detail, you can also tag transactions with labels like holiday or work expenses so you can filter and track them easily later. Now repeat this for other transactions, and Emma will update your spending insights and budget automatically based on your categories. And that's it. Your transactions are tagged and categorized and giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick money tips. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.